Good morning, everybody. We must not back down from opposition. We must show strength and fortitude. Victory is ours. We've put an end to a lot of things that don't serve us anymore, and there's new beginnings in our lives. Spirit has sent angels and spirit guides and the whole universe to us because they know that it's time for new beginnings. It's the end of delays. A change in direction is happening that offers happiness. There's solutions coming our way. It's going to be success that comes from objective compromise, self-control and patience and forgiving and healing energy. This is going to feel like a gift from the heavens. We must learn more about our families, family stories, and history. And in our lives, we need to take lots of little steps to make big dreams come true. A loved one from the past will re enter your life. It's going to be a magical encounter that's going to change your life forever. It's time for us to let go of things that created emotional turmoil in our lives. We can rewrite our stories. We must be the peace in all situations. There's great fortune coming our way and reasons to celebrate. There are still forces working against us, but we are on the right path regarding some aspects of our lives. We are not feeling stuck anymore. Our loved ones want us to know that our wishes are coming true. We must cleanse our energy of negativity and we must trust the divine. Have a lovely Saturday. I love you all.